guys, Brian, mini warm-up. Right now on the bench, I bought this off of eBay. It was used, partially built. The Toy Biz Wolverine 1/12 scale. I'll pan down here and show you. Actually, here I'll just look like the guy did a little bit of painting. There's the booty and all that. I mean, yeah, filled in some of the lines there. I filled in a couple others that weren't there. It wasn't too much of a glue bomb. It looked like the guy knew what he was doing. Assuming he just got bored of it. Gonna do some sanding on some of this. A little too bright there, but yeah. So it's all here. I just put this together right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Wolverine together and get him primed, and then get him ready for some paint. So got his claws on the sprue, so it's gonna be pretty quick here since it's kind of a partial build, which I don't mind. I don't mind getting some partially built kits. You know, kind of an in-between build. You know, kind of speeds it up a little bit. So been painting tons of miniatures, and I thought I'd try to throw in this Wolverine in the middle of all of it. So there's his face. I got the lights too bright, so I wanted to improve on the lighting here and stuff. So, but I guess I improved a little too much here. Got a big little spot over here. So that's it. So I hope you guys have been having had a good work week. It's gonna be Friday here. I'll probably have this up Friday morning or probably late Thursday night tonight. So yeah, let's go ahead and look down here, man. I keep looking at myself. I need to be looking right here. Right here.